everything for me. And if I am a tree right now from a seed, I am due to them. Dronacharya, Pitama, Kripacharya, everyone. Why should I kill those? Can anybody answer? Forget that you don't have the wiseness that Krishna had. And you all are individually just Krishna. You don't have the knowledge of Krishna. And you need to answer Arjun. Then why should Arjun fight this? Has anybody have an answer? Anyone?
Warrior's pride as a warrior.
As a warrior. Why? What? Why want to be? I am a warrior. I don't want to be a warrior. I'll just leave my warrior side and I will become a Brahman. I will beg, but I don't want to kill those people. So I don't think that now you need to look at this.
Okay, I want to reply.
Okay.
Because this is the world. That is a place where everyone comes and does his duty. So this is not, these are not your relatives. Krishna says this thing to Arjuna, that these are not your relatives, but they are only the human beings. You are not only going to fight with your relatives, but you are going to fight against the injustice, whatever has been done by them.
I don't want to fight injustice. I don't want to kill those people
But
who raised me.
this is the religion and karma. You are born as a human being, and
This is the knowledge that Krishna gave us.
you should do your karma.
Forget what Krishna gave us. We know this that it is karma. What is karma? What is injustice? It is what it is written in
No,
Bhagavad
but you
Gita.
have to understand. Because
This is what I am
this
trying to
is
say.
okay.
That if all means to all your respect, if you are saying this because we all sitting here, we have the knowledge to say because that is what Krishna gave us. And that's what I am trying to explain. I am not trying to do anything else.
Yes, that only I am saying. As you asked this thing, that what did Krishna say? And that I am telling you that Krishna said this thing to Arjuna at that time. That as you are the human being, you have not to think about these people that they are your relatives. They are your only the kith and kins, those who have taught you. But you think you are a human being who is going to fight against the injustice. So you have to take your weapon in your hand. And you have not to think of all these people, but only for the sake of religion, for the sake of dharma, you have to fight. This was said by Krishna.
I am not asking what Krishna said. I am asking that what you would have said if you were at the place of Krishna.
Okay, that is only the thing that if, as you said that no one knows, everyone knows about it, then I also know. So the same reply will be mine.
Okay. So at this moment when Arjun actually asked Krishna that what would I gain? As tato yuddhate yujjasva naivam papam amapsyasi. Okay, so once again, remember all what I said here, that why would I, what would I gain? I said this, that what would I gain? So for this Krishna says that sukh dukkhe same krutva labha labho jaya jayo. Means treat the peace, sukh and dukh, the bad consequences of the good consequences of your life the same. Labha labho jaya jayo. Train means just treat everything similar. Even if you gain something, even if you lose something, treat everything equal. Tato yuddhate yujjasva naivam papam amapsyasi. Means by fighting this war, if you are doing your karma, then you will not incur any kind of sin. Because in itself, karma is itself its fruit. So I think this much is enough. More than enough I have said for this people. It means this slide. I don't think now anyone don't have any kind of doubt that what was Krishna's role in Mahabharata. So again.